Yeah guys, today let's try this HANDPICK chamomile tea. It's certified organic herbal infusion. Yeah, looks really nice, and their claims are even climate neutral, non-GMO, plastic neutral. I've just been reading what you see here on this packaging. These are not my claims. Floral, mild, tranquil, 100 bags. They have also an expiration. You can see that here in the bag. I've ordered this at the end of 2025 and the expiration says April 2027. So almost 1.5 years from when I ordered it. But of course, it's depending on the lot, and when you order it could be totally different, just to give you a little bit of an idea here. So everything looking good. So let's see what's inside here. That's the stuff. And I've already opened it. You can see you have to tear this off, but inside we have still this resealable bag. Yeah, it's really nice. I think it's even double seal, really strong seal. But of course inside, that's what you have to know. I mean, we find also this clip here, and so now it gets a little bit more complicated than with a normal tea bag. Hope you can see that how they are here inside. So we have to grab one, no big deal, but they don't have a cord, they don't have a label. We really have to use it like that, and then we put it here inside and leave it. There's actually no description here on this bag, maybe small disadvantage. So if you dispose this thing, you don't have any information anymore. So here you have something on the side. Maybe you can see that, but I'm also going to read that. Brew hot or ice. They recommend 200 milliliters or 7 fluid ounces to steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Here also some nutrition facts if you're interested into that. And so because I'm not planning to keep that, I'm going to write that here, 3 to 5 minutes. By the way, as far as I know, this is bamboo. Also a nice thing, and yeah, it's doing really good. You can see it definitely works, and so we can use it to stir it here. Let's wait a little bit more, maybe 1 more minute or so. Of course, important to reseal the bag, and it looks like, yeah, it's definitely working. We get a lot of resealable bags which are really hard to use. Here definitely no problem. And so in the meantime, after talking and everything else, we are definitely at about 3 minutes. We have a nice color here, and it has nice smell. And so you can take it out like that. You can see, just grab it here. I mean, we cannot really fully squeeze it out, but that's usually not recommended anyway. Just here in the center, not dripping a lot. We can put it here, still a little bit hot, but definitely nice taste. Yeah, nothing to complain. Of course, very important to store this wet clamp or clip here not inside of the tea bag, but I don't know if it's by design or just by coincidence. This shape here fits actually perfectly for this clamp. You can see, absolutely awesome. So we can keep it like that, bends it even a little bit nicely down, and so it can dry absolutely perfect for the next usage. By the way, I tried it already now a couple of times, and it was really tasty, really good. Seems to be really good quality, and it's not a sponsored review. I paid full price. So I think it's definitely a really good quality tea. I love the organic, definitely super important when it comes to teas. If you don't believe me, just Google for that. It's crazy what you hear about some teas, so definitely make sure that you buy certified organic and nothing else. And here even somehow, at least they claim that, climate neutral, plastic neutral, non-GMO. Doesn't get much better than that, except you're looking for single tea bags. This is the compromise which we have here. No convenient single bags, tags or strings here. That's the compromise, but I think it could be worth it. It's also the cheapest brand which I have found, which is providing organic chamomile tea And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order a package for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this tea, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.